On some of our services along the Northeast Corridor, we did modify some services just to make sure that we had enough equipment for services that will continue to run as the winter storm moves up the Northeast. We do ask our passengers to be careful as they go to and from stations, and we encourage them to check the status of their train by visiting amtrak.com, mobile apps, or calling 800 USA Rail.
It was miserable, absolutely miserable, but doable.
No delays as of yet. Right now, we almost expected a delay going all the way up into Canada, but it hasn't hit us yet.
Where are you coming from?
When I stepped out there, no one had shoveled my doorstep or the sidewalks or anything. So, foot deep of snow walking out on the sidewalks.
It took me 3 hours to make it to my job.
Oh no! Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the Bronx.